Master the section module in your design toolkit. Whether organizing wireframes or enhancing specific design parts, the section module is key to creating a clean, well-structured layout. Accessing the section module is easy. Head to New Items on the toolbar, find the section module in the sidebar, and drag it onto your page. Already have some modules in place? Click on one, use the plus signs to access Add Items, and add a section module exactly where you want it. Customization is where the fun begins. Adjust spacing, borders, visibility, color, size, and scrolling options in the Properties panel to tailor each section to your design. The real magic of the section module is its versatility. Align them based on the parent section settings, vertical or horizontal, using the Layout panel, and position the contents wherever you need them, left, center, or right. Need to track down a specific section? The breadcrumb pop-up makes it super easy to locate and select the section you need in no time. For clean designs, start with a clear wireframe. Understanding parent-child relationships between section modules is key to a successful layout. And that's it. With these tips, you're ready to design like a pro.